Your bank account could be emptied by fraudsters. Implementation of new SIM card registration rules in Nigeria. Nigeria's SIM cards now will be linked with your national identification number, NIM. Marley is one of my most favorite musician. I love his songs so much. Bob Marley, Lucky Dube, those people, those two guys, reggae musicians. I love their songs so much that I am ready to be buying it every day when I dispose the CDs, or when the musical CD goes bad. I am ready to replace Michael Jackson. That's for the whites. When you talk about the white skin, I love Michael Jackson's song as well so much. Then for the black skin, Bob Marley, the Jamaica man. Then Lucky Dube is another one I so much cherish. Hi lovelies, you are welcome back to my channel. I'm passionate about great gist and news. Christmas is coming. Christmas is at the corner. 419ers are back online big time. So I am doing this video to the hearing of all of us to be aware of what is going on right now in the public. Please, whenever you come across this video, endeavor to share so that your family and friends, your loved ones, won't fall victim. Here is the latest scam in Nigeria. In fact, it's been around for a while. They have only just fine-tuned it. Someone will call your phone and greet. Good day, sir. Good day, ma. Greetings, or whatever the person wants to say. Then you will now think that yes, you are communicating with somebody you know, but they will go further by saying, sorry to bother you, sir or ma, but someone just mistakenly sent recharge card that is meant for them, that is the caller, to your phone. Can you please confirm the receipt and send it back to them? That is the caller now talking. Then you now, that is innocent, will say, I'm sorry about that. Oh, maybe I haven't seen anything like that yet. But if I do, I will remit it back to you on the same number. That is for those that are God-fearing. We say that. Then the caller will now be appreciative by saying, thank you very much. Truly and shortly, an SMS message containing the said amount will enter your phone with the recharge code. All right, so you will really think that what the first caller said was true. Now if you make the mistake of forwarding those digits back to the same number who is the caller that he or she used in contacting you, any of the following scenarios will happen to your digital assets within few minutes. Your Facebook account will be taken over. Your WhatsApp account too may follow. If you are unlucky and the number they reach you on is the number linked to your bank account, oh my brother, my sister, I'm sorry, it's your name. Oh, they will disable your SIM card, reactivate it in another phone, get your BVN number and clear the money in your bank. So be wise for you not to contact the caller. So here is what I will advise you to do if you receive such a call. Quietly block the caller's number so that he or she can never reach you again. And if they persist by changing to another number to call you again, block them over and over again. Do it as many times as they do it as well to you until they get tired and frustrated and stop it. If any reason you cannot block them, simply ignore their requests, guys. So this is real. It's happening right now in Nigeria. 419ers are defaulting people, coloring people's money, stealing people's money, hacking through this means I told you, that they mistakenly sent airtime to your phone or data that you should please get back to them if you come across the amount. So because of that, federal government have now brought in a policy implementation of new SIM registration rules. All right, so following the earlier directive on the suspension of new SIM registration by network operators, the Honorable Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, Dr. Isa Ali Ibrahim Patami, convened an urgent meeting of key stakeholders in the communications industry on Monday, December the 14th, 2020. The meeting had in attendance the Chief Executive Officers, CEOs, and management of Nigeria Communications Commissions, NCC, the National Information Technology Development Agency, NIDDAT, the National Identity Management Commission, NEMIC, as well as the CEOs and management staff of all service providers in the country, in the industry. At the meeting, the need to consolidate the achievement of last year, which is 2019 SIM card registration audit, and improve the performance and sanity of the sector was exhaustively discussed, and all stakeholders agree that urgent drastic measures have now become inevitable to improve the integrity and transparency of SIM registration process. So to end this, the following decisions were taken for immediate implementation by all network operators: affirmation of the earlier directive to totally suspend registration of new SIM cards by all operators. Operators to require all their subscribers to provide valid national identification number (NIN) to update SIM card registration. The submission of NIN by subscribers to take place within 2 weeks. They said within 2 weeks from this December the 16th, 2020, and it will end by 30th December 2020. I don't know whether they will still give more time. So after the deadline, all SIM cards without names are to be blocked from the network. Guys, make una go do una registration. No, if una know say una have Nigeria SIM card, even if you are abroad, you still keep your Nigeria SIM card. Make sure you follow what they are asking you to do because of what is happening now in the country. A ministerial task force comprising the minister and all the CEOs, among others, as members, is to monitor compliance by all networks. So violations of this directive will be met by stiff sanction, including the possibility of withdrawal of operating license. The general public is hereby urged to ensure their NIN are captured in their SIM registration data. So guys, this information was signed by Dr. Ikechukwu Adinde, Director Public Affairs. So in my next video, I will give you guys the code of how to check your name and how to link it to your SIM card. That should be in my next video. I sign up now with peace. Merry Christmas.